Hi everybody, I am Miss Lucy. I'm a child educator. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my virtual story time. I'm here in beautiful Connecticut. Welcome to my channel, Miss Lucy on the Loose. And today I'm going to be reading Emergency Kittens by Jody Jensen Schaefer and David Malton. Aren't they cute? And look at these cats. How many kitties we have here, boys and girls? We got 1, 2, 3 kitties. See? Yeah. Emergency kittens. Are you in a tough spot? Has life got you down? Maybe you need a superhero. Maybe someone muscly and fierce, possibly wearing tights. See that, boys and girls? Meet Mimi, Tweet Tweet, and Adorbs. These 3 cuties make everything better. Aren't they cute? Emergency kittens. Jamie drops her ice cream cone. Chin up, Jamie. You've got emergency kittens. Oscar gets a bad haircut. Or does he? Thanks, emergency kittens. Emma gets stuck in a tree until emergency kitten saves the day. We're emergency kittens. We make everything better. Unfortunately, not everyone knows about emergency kittens. Meet Sheldon. Hello. One day when Sheldon is playing, his ball takes a bad bounce. My ball! Someone help! Oh no. The superheroes show up in a flash, crime fighter to the playground and beyond. We'll get your ball. They lift bulldozers, they leap buildings, and tie themselves in knots. Literally. And finally, after all that, they still can't get Sheldon's ball. If superheroes can't help me, who can? Well, Mimi, Tweet, Tweet, and Adorbs know the answer. Do you know the answer, boys and girls? Emergency kittens. We make everything better. The emergency kittens leap and spin, bat and stretch, climb and tumble. They knead and scratch, chase and pounce, meow. And they really get serious. They get serious. Look how cute. Yes. Do you remember the name of the kittens? Mimi, Tweet Tweet, and Adorbs, correct. And honestly, who can resist that? We're emergency kittens, and we are always here for you. Bye bye children, bye bye children, go and read. Go and read, that is what you need, that is what you need. Go and read, go and read. Bye-bye everybody, have a beautiful day. Remember, keep reading, keep your mind active, and don't let anybody dull your shine. Don't be afraid to be you, to be different, to be unique. That means you're more interesting when you are different. If you're different, don't be ashamed of that. Bye-bye. Have a great day.